dried dates, koji berries, pears, and honey. Bring to boil 30 minutes. This soup is good for cold and cough. "30 minutes done, let's take a look. "30 minutes done. Ready to serve.